Welcome to NextGen Unit AI, where we show how every product are made on. Every video on this channel is carefully prepared by me, giving you clear and real factories insight on. I started by searching and collection information about the product from different resources. I study the factory process, check the multiple references, and write a simple script that makes sure you can get easy to understand and correct information about any visual or made on. After writing the script, I created the visual using AI. This shows step by step how raw material become finished product. Every clips is made to be both fun to watch and easy to learn from. Even thought the visual are made with AI, the research and story are made by a real person. I make sure the process is correct, educational and simple to understand. NextGen Unit AI made by a human, showing with AI. Subscribe to see amazing journey from raw material to finished product. Watch the world factories come alive.
Species confirmed as Cobra, grade A.